Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will walk you through how to use Powtoon in 2025 to create professional looking animations video step by step. Whether you are making explainer videos, social media content or presentations, Powtoon makes it super easy even if you are a total beginner. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, you just need to be signed up here to get access of the dashboard. So first go to the powtoon.com and then click up get started or sign up button. So here I will click over here to the get started and to create an account. You can use your email, Google or Office 365. It's totally up to you. You can see it here. So here I will go with the Google one because this is the simplest one, that's why I chose this one. And here you can see it will be done. Powtoon workshops, we are right now landed here. Once you are in, you will land on dashboard. Here you can start from scratch, you can use template or view your set project. So here you can see the whole template in that place. So now let's talk about to start a new project. So here you just need to click over here this create button, just click over here. Once you did, then you just need to choose thing, like choose your format. It could be horizontal for YouTube and presentation, vertical for TikTok or Instagram, square for social post. You can pick a template or start from blank, it's totally up to you. Then for beginner, using a template is much easier, so I will choose on now. So here from that I will click over here to the template, and from that one I can choose any of them. So let's say which one will be the good one. I think this is the pro one, so here I will choose a free. I think this one will be the good one, so I am going to click on this editing studio. Just click to this one. So let's give you an editor overview right now. You will now be inside the Powtoon editor. Here you can see it. Let me break it down. Slides panel into the left, or you can see it. And these are like PowerPoint slides. Each one is a scene. Then canvas into the center. Here you can see this is the canvas. So where you design and preview your animations. Then timeline. Here you can see this is the timeline. Control when text, characters and animation appear. And the toolbar into the top. Here you can see this is the top toolbar for adding character, text, image, props and many more things. So it's a really easy thing. I hope you understand actually. So now I am going to edit slides and text. So you just need to click on any slide to select it. Let's say I will click to this one, and here I am going to edit this one. Choose animated characters from different style. Let's say let's play this one because I think this has this kind of an animation, so you can see the hand. So you can change the whole things. So double click text to edit the message. Let's say I'm going to edit this one. I will give this 5 tips to get started, get subscribe. Here you can see I already changed it, and here if you want to change this one, you are allowed to change it, and the animations also. If you want to change the background, you just need to click the background and select a color or upload an image. Like let's say I want to change the background, that for reason I just need to go over here, and from that place I can easily change it. So here you can see this is the animation thing. So if you zoom it, you will able to see it. So here if you just want to change the background, you just need to be click this one, and then here you just need to be click on background setting. Once you did, you can swap the background. It's an amazing thing, you can do it in here. So now let's talk about you can delete elements by selecting and pressing delete, and you can add the new text for the text tab on the left, like this way. You just need to click this one, and you are allowed to add the title in here. You can see it already been added. So it's an easy one, you can do it that platform. Now if you want to add character animations, how you can do it? So you just need to click on to the character. Once you click over here into the sidebar, you just need to choose animated characters from different styles. So here you can see we have this, so I am going to place it in here. So it will take a couple of minutes, then the character will be appear in that place. So we just need to wait a bit. So you just need to click and drag the character onto the slide. I already did. So here I'm going to place it in here, and you can see it already been placed. So here you can change it, you can pose it, you can surprise one, you can make it sad, you can make it meditating, you can make it pointing like this way. That will be a good ones. So you can change it as it you want. You can use the action menu to select animation. Like here you will see the action menu, so you just need to find it out, swap, lock, just click this one, and from that just click double tap in here. Let's say I'm going to double tap, and here you just need to click on actions, and you can play in loop. Like here, if you make it, it will be playing all the way. So you can make it waving, walking, pointing, tagging, etc. You can also add props, shapes, or even your own images in that place. Now let's talk about how you can use the timeline. So you just need to be scroll down to the timeline in here. This is the timeline, you can see it. If you zoom it, you will able to see that. So here you control when elements appear and disappear. Like let's when the changes will be and the text similar. So you just need to drag the birds, adjusting the timing. You can preview your slide by clicking the play button. You can use this to sync animations and transition perfectly. Now if you want to add music and voiceover, how you can do it, you just need to click to the sound. Here you can see we have the options called audio. You just need to be click over here, and you can choose from Powtoon royalty-free music library, or also you can use your manual music. So you can record your voiceover. Like here you just need to click over here, add voiceover, and from that place you just need to click to the record, and your voiceover will be ready. So here you can see 3, 2, 1 and go. So now when I will talk, it will be recorded in that place. Like let me tell you, like if you want to add a voiceover, you just need to click this voiceover options and record directly inside Powtoon, or upload a pre-recorded file. You just need to click on stop record when you feel it is complete. You just need to click over here and it will be done. Just click save and give a name that I'm going to give. The name will be Mahim, and then click save, and it will be arrive in that place. Here you can see extended length, and from that place if you play this one, or if you want to use, you just need to click over here entire video, and it will be placed in that place. So in this way you can add audio in your video or your Powtoon slide. So now let's talk about how you can export your video. Once your animation is ready, you just need to click export into the top right. Here you can see, just need to click over here, and from that place you can export it as a M4 file. But the thing is, you need premium plan like pro user, and then you can export it as a YouTube video, Vimeo, Facebook, or LinkedIn. You can also share a link or embed. Like here you just need to click this one and you can share the link, and now anyone can show this video in their browser by clicking the link. That is an amazing thing. So you just need to choose the resolution. So here you can see the video already been played actually. So it is an amazing thing to get this kind of, and you can see it is an resolution video. So it is quite a good thing for us to get this kind of a video by using link. So I hope you understand how amazing that platform is. So if you want to upgrade the plan, you just need to click over here to the upgrade. So from that place you can purchase the plan for you. So if you think this video was helpful, you know about how to use Powtoon template to save time, keep your animations short and engaging, comment text, icons and characters to tell us clear story, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.